I'm like all teary up. What's up everyone, it's Kimmy and welcome to my channel. I feel like I have something in my eye right now. I'm like all teary up like. So for today's video, obviously we are still, do I have something in my hair? There's like a lot of stuff going on with me. So for today's video, I wanted to do a DIY. I wanted to do a DIY cropped cinched sweater. I hope I'm saying that right. I have been watching a lot of tutorials on this. They look super cute and fun. I am also going to be leaving the links of the videos that I did watch that kind of helped me, like, you know, go step by step on how to make this. I got this just plain crew neck Hanes sweater from Amazon. I think it was like $7-8, super cheap. And I did get some patches from Amazon. They're like iron patches, so you just iron them on and they're supposed to stick together. So I thought it'd be cute if I added one. I want to see if it works or not. And we're just gonna get started and I'm gonna see how this goes, if I can create it. Also, don't mind my crusty nails. They look so crusty, so don't mind it. Okay, so I do have the sweater here. I didn't have like a fabric marker or anything, so I kind of marked it with white eyeliner, which you could barely see. Also, I just wanted to include that everything I got in order to make this, I got it off Amazon, so I could link everything in the description box below. Everything is hard to get right now because of like the coronavirus going around. You know, it's like they barely have stuff on Amazon, and if they do, they are taking a while to ship. For some of it, it says it's taking like a month, I believe. So it's just because of literally what's going on now, so it's kind of hard. But I will link everything in the description box below if you guys are interested in doing this DIY. I don't know why. Also, this is my first time doing this, so I'm not like an expert, but yeah, we're gonna get to cutting the sweater and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna start cutting them. I don't know if these scissors are gonna work that well, so just bear with me. Okay, so the next step is I am going to shape it on the way I do want it to sew. So I got this sewing gauze from Amazon, and I do want this to be 1 inch when it folds, so I just move it to 1. This is also so it won't be like messy or sloppy, you know, or like one side will be bigger than the other side. And then I'm also going to be pinning it so it can all come out smoothly and nice. So I just finished putting the pins around and I am going to start sewing it. So I am going to have to sew it by hand because I am sadly not yet an owner of an actual sewing machine. So we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. I have my little sewing kit here that comes with like all of this stuff. It's all falling. So I'm gonna be using this. Oh my god, everything is falling. So I finished sewing one section and it does kind of look a little like crazy, but hopefully you can barely tell because the stitching is black. Not the stitching, the thread is black. I am going to start the other side. I did start some of it already and we'll see how it comes out afterward. So I just finished stitching up the whole sweater, and it looks like this. I am gonna cut 2 little holes in the front side and install these, which is where like the string is gonna go through. I'm gonna try to put it so you guys can see what I'm doing. So it's the next day or night, whatever. I ended up not being able to finish the video because it was so late. So I'm gonna show you guys the results, and like basically we're gonna finish this because yeah. So to start off, I did cut 2 holes on the front of the sweater, but the problem was I did want to put like these little circle things, but I got the wrong kit. So I was supposed to get an eyelet kit, but instead I got a fashion grommet kit. And it is kind of different because with the fashion grommet, not only do you have to open a hole in the front, but you would have to open a hole in the back, which is something I didn't want because I actually have to put like the shoelace through the whole sweater. So I ended up somehow figuring it out, and I was able to get this. I don't know if it's gonna be stable or how long it's gonna be stable for. So what I'm gonna do is just leave it there temporarily while I do replace it afterwards and get like the correct thing that is supposed to go in a circle, just because I don't know, it's like there's like a hole there. I don't know, I don't want it to look messy. I want it to look clean, even though, you know, the stitching is kind of ratchet. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I did this, and then we're gonna finish it off by putting the shoestring through, and then I'm gonna put the little patch I want, and it's gonna look super cute. So I was seeing a lot of videos on this, and basically what I tried to do was, like, if I had the actual eyelet kit I needed, what I did was I took this metal circle, I don't know what it's called, but it goes under the sweater like this, and then I took this piece. This is like a thinner one, so I put it backwards, the backward side. I put it inside. Afterwards, I took this little black circle, and it has like this thing sticking out, and then I just inserted it on this. I attach it on top of the hole, and then there's this like metal tube thing that you put on top like this. And I'm sorry, like I don't know the correct terminology for any of these. You do need a hammer. I got this little hammer from Amazon. It was like $4 or $5, and then you're gonna go in like this. So after you do hammer it a couple of times, it should be stuck together like this, and that's your 2 little holes where you're gonna put the string through in the sweater. I did get these shoelaces from Amazon, so I'm going to put the shoelaces inside the holes and just, you know, put it around the sweater, which kind of is difficult sometimes, so we'll see how it works. So I finally did put the lace in. So now what I want to do is just tie a knot. Afterward, just cut off the extra. So I did have to cut it a little more because it was too long. And then afterwards, you just put the knot inside the hole to try to hide it as best as you can. This is a clear cordstop, which you can get on Amazon as well. And I'm just gonna loop it through. It should just look like this, where you can just pull it on how tight you want. I got these patches that you can just iron on, and they're butterflies. So I'm gonna pick one of these cute little butterflies, and I thought it'd be cute if you maybe put one in the front like this. And I'm gonna see, which one I should choose. I decided I'm gonna go with this cute little butterfly. I'm gonna put it in the front like that. I'm gonna do 60 seconds in the front, and then afterwards I'm gonna flip it and do another 30 seconds on the back. So this is the final look. This is how it came out. I think for my first time doing something like this, it came out super cute. The stitching, you know, kind of looks ratchet, but I think the rest of the sweater makes up for it. And also I can just crop it however much I want, or if I want it like this. I'm sorry if I look fat. I ironed this little butterfly here and I liked how it looks, so I think this is super cute to do. I literally got a plain Hanes crew neck men's sweater on Amazon and I turned it into this. This is cute. If you guys do like more video like this, make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel because I know you want to. Seriously, subscribe. You know you want to. I'll see you guys next time with a new video.
Hey.